Is Google Meet screen sharing not working? Whether the present button isn't responding, participants can't see your screen, or you're getting permission errors, there are several ways to fix the problem. Yeah, in this guide, I'll show you how to fix Google Meet screen sharing not working in 2026. First, make sure your browser has permission to capture your screen. If a permission request appears, choose Allow so Google Meet can access your display. If you're using macOS, check your system's privacy settings and make sure your browser has screen recording permission enabled. On Windows, confirm that no security settings are blocking screen capture. Next, click Present Now and choose whether you want to share your entire screen, a specific window, or a browser tab. Yeah, selecting the correct option helps avoid sharing the wrong content. If screen sharing still doesn't work, close other video conferencing or screen recording applications such as Zoom, Microsoft Teams, OBS Studio, or screen capture software. These apps can sometimes interfere with screen sharing. Now update your web browser to the latest version, then refresh Google Meet or leave and rejoin the meeting. This often resolves temporary compatibility or browser issues. Finally, restart your computer and try sharing your screen again. If the problem continues, test Google Meet in another supported browser to determine whether the issue is browser-specific. And that's how to fix Google Meet screen sharing not working in 2026. In most cases, checking permissions, selecting the correct sharing option, updating your browser, and restarting your device will solve the problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.